I am attempting to install an Orbitz 4-station digital timer on the outside of my house. This timer has its own transformer, but I do not have outlet to plug into. I have added a start relay but not sure of where the two blue 24 vac should be attached to in the control box.
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
Just today.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I changed my system over from the indexing valve to control valves.
Welcome to JustAnswer. My name is. I will do my best to help you with your issue. First, I'll need some more info so I have a more complete picture of your situation. What's the model number of your Orbit controller?
Model hash, 4-station, input AC 120B60HC 0.2A, output AC 26V 500 mA, type 3 are enclosure rainproof for outdoor class 2 transformer used. I do not have a outdoor plug-in for it. So can I want to wire Orbit pump start relay model number 57009 PS2, in place of transformer. I added 2 photos, hope that helps.
I don't follow. You can't use the pump start relay to power the controller. The 24-volt side of the relay is the control circuit side.
Just be clear, you're saying the only way is to run an outdoor plug-in for the transformer.
Yes, but you could have some issues with rain getting into the connection, so a better option would be to put the plug just inside the wall and run the low voltage cord through the wall to the controller.
I don't require a start relay. If I do need it, where do I attach the 2 blue 24 vac wires from the start relay to the controller?
If you have an irrigation pump, you need a start relay. 24-volt pump relay connections are made at common and pump terminals.
Okay, thank you for all your assistance. Just hate to drill holes through my bricks. Thanks again.
You're welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.